Hello there, welcome to the Microsoft Office Specialist Excel Associate 2019 course. In this video we're going to take a look at the exam structure and layout as well as a brief look at the examination syllabus itself. So the examination is broken up into 5 exam domains. So domain 1 is manage worksheets and workbooks, domain 2 is manage cells and ranges, domain 3 is manage tables, domain 4 is perform operations by using formulas, and finally the last domain is manage tables. So in this particular document that I have open here, I've just summarized some brief points from the syllabus itself. So I've taken 3 points from each domain. So as you can see here in manage worksheets and workbooks, we have import data in workbooks from text files, navigate to cells or ranges, adjust row height and column width. Then in domain 2 we have manage cells and ranges, and in there's paste data by using paste special, apply conditional formatting, merge and unmerge cells. Then domain 3 has manage tables and includes create Excel tables, apply table styles, add or remove rows and columns. Then domain 4 has perform operations by using formulas, and you have the following functions: if, average, max, min, upper, lower, left, len, concat, text join. So without a doubt the formula section is the one that students find the most difficult, and that's the one where they'll have to spend most time practicing and preparing in lieu of preparation for the exam. And then the final exam domain manage charts, and then we have create charts, add data series to charts, and apply chart styles. So now I want to give you a look at the entire syllabus here, okay? So here you are, here's the entire syllabus, okay? So again, here's your different domains. So I'll just pop this up on the screen anyway. I will have a link at the end of the video, or there'll be a link on the YouTube video itself underneath where you subscribe, where it will have the link to this spreadsheet, you know, the syllabus. So if you keep going down here, you can see all the different domains. So you can see that there's quite a lot here, okay? So you see the managed charts there, and so on, which is the last domain. So the examination itself, it's broken up into 7 mini projects, which 5 questions per project. So that's roughly 35 questions in the exam itself, and the examination is 50 minutes in length, okay? So this concludes the video. So thanks for watching, and if you want to find any more information, just go on to www.officemaster19.ie or www.officemaster19.co.uk, or subscribe to this channel, or have a look at the Office Master 19 YouTube channel. And then in the next video we're going to be covering some tips and tricks for the examination itself. So that's brilliant. Thanks a million for watching.